I do this video because it seems that people are having problems to understand that trading is not based at all on predictions and reading the news all day. You can't trade based on what an indicator shows you, because that indicator is showing you the past price action. Also, you cannot trade based on oscillators like RSI or stochastic. The price being oversold or overbought doesn't tell you anything, because let's say the price is overbought, it can increase much more for days, weeks, or even months before turning. So if RSI is showing you 80, you can just place a short position expecting trend to reverse in a short time and to profit right away. So stop using this nonsense like prediction, and do not think for a second that knowing the news it's bring you much value. I trade almost 40 markets, and I wouldn't have the time to analyze all the news and to trade based on the news I read. So it's not realistic. Also, of course, if an event takes place like the Middle East conflict, the oil price will rise. That's common knowledge. But when do you enter? When the conflict started? It's already too late, because the price moved already. Now let me explain you what you see on the chart. The blue diamond shows a breakout to the upside, and the yellow diamond shows a breakout to the downside. And these blue and yellow X crosses are the trail stop levels when the price hit the trail stop. So here I had a long position and it was closed here with a small profit. Here a short position with a small loss. Here another short position with a small profit. And coming today to the last trade, it was opened automatically by my Turtles expert advisor in January, and by any means I couldn't know then that the price will evolve as you can see now. And you can see here the entry level, this green dotted line, and here this yellow dotted line is my current trail stop. In this moment nobody knows if this peak at 120 was the top. Nobody knows currently if the price will continue dropping. So I don't guess. I let the trade to run. Maybe the trail stop will be hit. Nobody knows. So why to try predicting what you don't know? The values of an oscillator or the news don't tell you anything. It's very possible that the price will come down, hit my trail stop just to go back to 200. Yes, it is, but it's certain? Not at all. Nobody knows. So you need to stop trying to predict what the price will do, when to enter based on news and other subjective method you choose. That's why using channels like Dongqian channels or Kellner channels is the best way to determine when to take a trade. Because the simple explanation is when the price is between the Dongqian or Kellner channels bends, you talk about noise. And when it exits to the upside or downside, you have a buy or sell signal. So you take it without knowing if the price will continue to evolve in that direction or not. So no guessing, no intuition, just pure price action. In conclusion, stop trying to predict, just act based on price. Yes, many of the times you will have small wins, small losses, but that's trading. You don't trade only on market, and almost every time there is one market which does something big. In this case, we talk about oil. In the past, it was the gold which had big moves, silver, other times it's a forex pair, a commodity. So who knows when or which from the trading markets will have these big trends. All you have to do is to risk small, and the big trade will come. You will make profits which will be larger than the losses, and that's it. It's all about probabilities, statistic, not about guessing, not about knowing the perfect entry, perfect exit, and all the nonsense which is widely spread on internet.